Hello friends, so here we'll see how to use and send stickers in WhatsApp. So friends, to use sticker in WhatsApp, you just have to open this WhatsApp window and press on this emoji button. Just click here, and once you do that, this tab will open up, and here you can see there is something called this kind of icon, a square as if a sticker is taken out. This kind of image will come. This is the sticker icon. Just press this, and this is your sticker page. So here you can see the recently used sticker. You'll get this in this this icon, that is this clock, and this is your favorite. I'll tell you how to add favorite to your sticker. Let me first give an overview how to use stickers in WhatsApp. This is your love stickers, all these things. This one is some other kind of stickers based on the mood, and these are some of the stickers. First of all, I will tell you how to send stickers here. Just the sticker which are available right over this tab, you can simply click on this and it will be sent to the other person or in a group if you are there in a group. So for adding further more stickers, you can click here, this plus icon available here. Just click on this plus icon and it will take you to this page where you can select what kind of stickers you want to use. For example, this is some kind of fish or something over here. I'll just select this. Once I do that, it gets opened and you have to download all the stickers. So download, once you press this download button, it will take some seconds based on internet speed, and it is downloaded to your sticker page. So you can see this has come to my stickers page, and you can see this sticker has come to my sticker tab page. So if I click here, the stickers have been downloaded. So I can simply press here and send the stickers. You can go on sending stickers. For example, I'll show you some other kind of stickers. For example, let me go for Fit Squad new. This is quite new sticker. I'll press here and it will take me to this Fit Squad group of stickers. So I download it like 5 MB. Let me see. So the sticker has been downloaded. So I'll go back, and as you can see, this has come to this place. So this group of stickers has been downloaded. I can simply click on it and it will be sent in that group. Once again, yeah. So one more thing is, if you want to have more stickers, so just go to your bottom and if you go on scrolling this bar will open up, which is called Discover Sticker Apps. For some further stickers, if you want, you can simply press on Discover Sticker Apps and it will take you to this page where some app will be there to get installed. So just install that, and as you can see, sticker.ly, this thing is getting installed. So the app has been installed. So I'll open this and I have to log in. So this is how you can add sticker from other third-party apps as well. So better to use what are already on the WhatsApp here, which is quite easy and safe. So you can go on clicking here and downloading all kinds of stickers. Once you click on the emoji button, if you have not opened the sticker, then it will take you to this page where you have to click on this sticker symbol. Once you do that, all the stickers will be available here, whatever you have downloaded, or you can see this is favorites, and all the stickers can come. One thing I want to explain you, if you want to make any sticker favorite, then just press and hold on that sticker. It will ask, would you like to add this sticker to favorites? Just add it. So in your favorite portion, all the stickers will be added. Similarly, if you want to delete it from favorite, just keep pressing it, hold it for some 1 or 2 seconds, then remove the sticker from favorites. Remove. So this is how you add and remove stickers in the favorite button. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope it was quite useful in knowing how to play with stickers, how to use, how to download from an external app, all these things in this video. If you found this video useful, please like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.